Welcome, everyone, to an exploration into the fascinating world of your body's aging process and its remarkable capacity for renewal. Today, we embark on a journey guided by the wisdom of science and the inspiring story of Edward, an energetic 85-year-old who claims to have turned back the clock with his daily breakfast. Imagine waking up each morning, feeling vibrant and energized, with a sense of renewed vitality that belies your age. Edward attributes this feeling to a specific and carefully chosen morning meal, a testament to the profound connection between what you eat and how your body functions at a cellular level. He believes his breakfast plays a key role in supporting the very foundations of youthfulness within him, his stem cells, and the protective caps on his chromosomes known as telomeres. If you're intrigued by this concept and eager to learn practical ways to potentially influence your own health and longevity, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the incredible power of your body and the food that fuels it. The concept of telomeres might sound like something from a biology textbook, but their role in your life is incredibly significant. Think of them as the protective caps at the end of your shoelaces. They prevent the chromosomes, which hold your genetic information, from fraying and becoming damaged. Each time your cells divide, these telomeres naturally shorten. Once they become too short, the cell can no longer divide and may become inactive or even die. This shortening process is a fundamental aspect of aging. However, emerging research suggests that certain lifestyle factors, particularly diet, might influence the rate at which telomeres shorten and perhaps even support their maintenance. Stem cells, on the other hand, are your body's master cells. They have the unique ability to develop into many different cell types, from muscle cells to brain cells. They are crucial for repairing damaged tissues and replenishing old cells, essentially acting as your body's internal repair and regeneration system. As you age, the number and function of your stem cells naturally decline, contributing to age-related changes. The exciting prospect is that certain nutrients found in the foods you consume may play a role in supporting the health and activity of these vital cells. In this video, we will delve into the health wisdom shared by Dr. William Li, a renowned physician and scientist who has dedicated his career to understanding the intricate relationship between food and health. Dr. Li's extensive research has illuminated the remarkable ways in which the foods you eat can influence your body's natural defense systems, including those involved in cellular repair and regeneration. His work emphasizes that food is not just fuel, it is information that communicates directly with your cells, influencing everything from inflammation to DNA protection. We will explore some of the key insights from Dr. Li's research and how they relate to the potential for supporting telomere length and stem cell activity through dietary choices. Edward's story serves as a compelling real-world illustration of this connection. His daily breakfast, carefully crafted based on his understanding of foods that may benefit cellular health, is a testament to the proactive role you can take in your own well-being. While Edward's experience is personal and not a substitute for scientific evidence, it offers a powerful anecdote that aligns with the growing body of research exploring the link between nutrition and the aging process. You might be curious to know exactly what this 85-year-old includes in his morning meal that he believes contributes to his youthful energy and disease-free state. We will break down the components of a breakfast inspired by the foods that have shown promise in supporting stem cell health and telomere maintenance, drawing upon the general information available on this fascinating subject. One of the cornerstones of a breakfast that may support these vital processes is the inclusion of fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These oily fish are nutritional powerhouses, particularly rich in omega-3s fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These essential fats are not just good for your heart, they also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress throughout your body. Oxidative stress caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants is a significant contributor to telomere shortening. Studies have suggested that individuals with higher levels of omega-3s in their blood tend to experience a slower rate of telomere shortening, indicating a potential protective effect at the cellular level. Furthermore, a reduced inflammatory environment within your body and create a more favorable setting for stem cells to function effectively in repair and regeneration. Fatty fish also often provide a bonus in the form of vitamin D, a nutrient that has been associated with longer telomeres and overall stem cell health. Another vital component to consider for a stem cell and telomere supporting breakfast is leafy greens. Think of vibrant spinach, hardy kale, and peppery arugula. These vegetables are not just low in calories, they are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to DNA synthesis and repair. Folate, a B vitamin abundant in leafy greens, is critical for these processes. Moreover, they are rich in powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, along with various anti-inflammatory compounds. These nutrients work synergistically to protect your telomeres from the damaging effects of oxidative stress and support the proliferation of stem cells by reducing cellular stress and helping to maintain the integrity of your DNA. Some studies have even linked higher fiber intake, often found in leafy greens, to longer telomeres. Berries, those small bursts of flavor and color, also deserve a prominent place in your stem cell and telomere-conscious breakfast. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are brimming with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are responsible for their deep hues. These potent compounds act as scavengers of free radicals, helping to combat the oxidative damage that can accelerate telomere shortening and impair stem cell function. Regular consumption of berries has been associated with improved cognitive function and a potential supportive role in cellular repair mechanisms. Their anti-inflammatory properties further contribute to a healthy cellular environment. While not typically a breakfast staple for everyone, incorporating green tea into your morning routine, perhaps as a beverage alongside your meal, could also be beneficial. Green tea contains polyphenols, notably epigallocatechin gallate, or egg, which has been the subject of numerous studies exploring its potential benefits for cellular health and longevity. These compounds exhibit antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may contribute to the protection of telomeres and the support of overall cellular well-being. Extra virgin olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, offers another avenue for nourishing your cells and potentially protecting your DNA. Rich in polyphenols and healthy monounsaturated fats, this oil provides essential building blocks for cell membranes and exhibits significant anti-inflammatory effects. These properties may contribute to the preservation of telomere length and create a supportive environment for stem cell function and tissue regeneration. Consider drizzling a bit of extra virgin olive oil over your leafy greens or incorporating it into a breakfast dressing. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas are often overlooked in breakfast, but they offer valuable benefits for overall health that can indirectly support stem cells. They are excellent sources of fiber and plant-based protein, both of which are crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels and providing the necessary building blocks for tissue repair. While direct research on their impact on telomeres and stem cells is ongoing, their contribution to a healthy internal environment is undeniable. Finally, nuts and seeds, including walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds, provide a wealth of beneficial nutrients. They are excellent sources of healthy fats, including omega-3s in the case of walnuts and flax seeds, as well as vitamin E and various polyphenols. These nutrients help to combat inflammation and oxidative damage, thereby contributing to the maintenance of telomere length. Furthermore, They provide essential fatty acids and other compounds that support overall cellular function, which is vital for healthy stem cell growth and repair processes. Dietary patterns rich in nuts and seeds, such as the Mediterranean diet, have been associated with longer telomeres in some studies. Now, let's consider how you might combine these powerful foods into a delicious and potentially stem cell supporting and telomere-friendly breakfast, inspired by the principles we have discussed and perhaps mirroring some of the choices Edward might make. Imagine starting your day with a small serving of grilled or baked salmon, rich in those vital omega-3s. Alongside this, you could enjoy a vibrant green smoothie made with a generous handful of spinach and a medley of mixed berries, providing a potent dose of antioxidants and folate. To add healthy fats and more antioxidants, consider incorporating a tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your smoothie or enjoying a small handful of walnuts on the side. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over a few slices of avocado, another source of healthy fats, could round out the meal. While not a traditional breakfast item for many, a small portion of lentils or chickpeas, perhaps incorporated into a savory breakfast bowl with some sautéed spinach and a sprinkle of nuts, could provide valuable fiber and plant-based protein. And of course, a warm cup of green tea could be the perfect accompaniment to this nourishing morning ritual. This is just one example, and you can adapt it to your own preferences and dietary needs. The key takeaway is to consciously include a variety of these food groups in your diet, and perhaps specifically in your breakfast, to harness their potential benefits for cellular health. Remember, this is not about a magic bullet, but rather about consistently nourishing your body with foods that provide the building blocks and protective compounds it needs to thrive at a fundamental level. The journey towards supporting your body's natural regenerative capabilities and potentially influencing the aging process at a cellular level is an ongoing one. By incorporating these health wisdom principles into your daily choices, you are taking proactive steps towards your well-being. Edward's story, combined with the scientific insights of experts like Dr. William Li, offers a compelling perspective on the power of food as medicine. We encourage you to explore these ideas further, to research and learn more about the fascinating connection between nutrition and your body's innate ability to heal and renew. What resonates most with you about Edward's experience and the potential of these foods? Consider making small incremental changes to your breakfast routine. Perhaps start by adding a handful of berries to your morning oatmeal, or try incorporating some spinach into an egg scramble. Even small steps can contribute to a more nutrient-dense diet that supports your cellular health. Think about how you feel after eating certain foods. Do you notice a difference in your energy levels or overall well-being when you include more of these beneficial ingredients? This personal awareness can be a powerful motivator on your journey. The information we've shared today is not about chasing an elusive fountain of youth, but rather about nurturing your body from the inside out, supporting its natural processes of repair and regeneration. By focusing on whole, nutrient-rich foods, you are providing your cells with the essential building blocks they need to function optimally. This, in turn, can have a profound impact on your overall health and vitality as you age. Remember, your body is an incredible machine, constantly working to maintain and repair itself. The food you eat plays a vital role in providing the resources it needs to do this effectively. We encourage you to think of your breakfast, and indeed all your meals, as an opportunity to nourish your body at a cellular level. Experiment with incorporating more of these stem cell and telomere-friendly foods into your daily routine. Pay attention to how your body responds, and make adjustments based on your own preferences and needs. This is a personal journey of discovery, and every step you take towards a more nutrient-rich diet is a step towards supporting your long-term health and well-being. What are some of the simple swaps you can make in your current breakfast to include more of these beneficial foods. As we conclude this exploration into the potential of breakfast foods to support stem cell growth and telomere length, we want to emphasize that consistency is key. Small, regular choices can have a significant cumulative effect over time. Think of it as planting seeds for a healthier future. Each nutrient-rich meal you consume is like watering those seeds, nurturing your body's ability to thrive. We are all on this journey together, striving to understand how to best support our health and vitality as we age. Your curiosity and willingness to explore these ideas are commendable. We invite you to continue learning and exploring the fascinating world of nutrition and its impact on your health. There is a wealth of information available, and staying informed is a powerful tool in taking control of your well-being. Consider researching the specific studies mentioned or exploring the work of Dr. William Li further. The more you understand, the more empowered you will be to make informed choices that support your health goals. What questions do you still have about stem cells, telomeres, or the role of diet in aging? Share them in the comments, and let's learn from each other. Finally, we want to thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We hope that Edward's story and the insights we've shared have inspired you to think differently about your breakfast and the potential it holds for supporting your cellular health and longevity. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and invest in your future well-being. Now, we encourage you to take action. Consider 1 or 2 small changes you can make to your breakfast tomorrow based on what you've learned. Share your intentions in the comments below to help create a sense of community and accountability. And most importantly, please like this video if you found it informative. Share it with anyone who might benefit from this knowledge. Leave a comment with your thoughts and questions, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering insights into the world of health and nutrition. Let's continue this conversation and support each other on the path to a healthier and more vibrant life.